Saan magandang ilagay yung emergency fund? C-Bank or own bank? Let's do the comparison. Watch this video. Hi CCs, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance, travel, and tips. So if you like that type of video, don't forget to like and follow for more. First, let me share with you my non-negotiable when it comes to digital bank. Number one, I want to have an easy access dun sa pera ko. Pwedeng may ATM or pwede kong ma-transfer agad yung pera ko doon sa mga bank na may ATM card, I mean, so that I am able to cash it out. Number two, I want to put it in a bank that has a good credential. Siyempre, kung maglalagay ako ng pera, gusto ko maganda na yung credential ng bank. And number three, I want to earn interest using my fund. Siyempre, even though it's emergency fund at gusto mo ng easy access sa pera mo, gusto mo pa rin na kumita siya kahit papaano. So, let's do the comparison. First is easy access. With own bank muna tayo. They don't have a physical card, pero you have the option to transfer your money to other banks. So, okay yon. With C-Bank naman, ang maganda sa kanila, meron na silang card at kung gusto mong mag-withdraw, pwede yan sa mga ATM dito sa Pilipinas. And also abroad. Number two, good credential. So, with own bank, they are formerly known as Rural Bank of Cavite City and was founded 1956 pa sila. With own bank, they are already in the business for 69 years. With C-Bank naman, they are formerly known as a Banco Laguna Incorporated and was founded at 1965. They also rebranded to C-Bank last December 2021. So as you can see, pagdating sa mga bank na to, matagal na talaga sila. Nag-expand lang sila and nag-rebrand sila to digital bank. They are both insured by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, so each depositor is insured 1 million pesos. Let's talk about naman yung interest rate niya. With own bank, as of August 2025, they have a base interest of 3.8% with regular savings, while naman sa C-Bank, meron naman silang 3.5%. So, honest thoughts ko, if you want a convenience to get your money, you go for C-Bank. Kung gusto niyo naman ng mas mataas na interest rate, you go for own bank. Based on sa experience ko, mas maraming option ng cashback yung C-Bank compare sa own bank. Kung papipiliin nyo ako, wala akong pipiliin sa kanila kasi they are both good and parehas silang may pros and cons. Parehas meron akong account sa kanila. If you want to open an account and get signing bonus with C-Bank, you just need to save 1,000 pesos and you will get a 75 pesos signing bonus when you use my referral code TrixieB, and for own bank naman, meron akong link sa aking bio. Makakuha din kayo ng 40 pesos signing bonus when you open naman an account in own bank. I hope this video helps. Like and follow for more.